morning. Hi. Hi, all of you. Good morning. So it's time. 72 are already in. I'm good, ma. Okay, yeah. Okay, Ravi Surya. Good morning. Okay, now I just ask you some of the things because so many people are saying it. Those who are already there, listen. So what I'm doing is I'm explaining, I'm drawing, I'm giving time for you to draw, again giving notes. Okay. So as some of you I have heard that you have some things that you cannot explain me or you cannot ask me. That's not the case. Most of the time, the students become very close to me. You can ask any of your seniors. Those who are learning, no seniors, you should always, if you have contact, to ask them, right? How comfortable they are with me and how comfortably they are writing exams and all with confidence. Right? Always I think of higher education. Board exam syllabus and all is in your EPL book, no worries, right? And if you go through my notes, I am around 10 times extra explanation I'm giving you, right? Listen to me first. Don't say good morning and all. Keep listening to me. So my points on what I give is actually more than required for your board. Board examination thing, whatever is there, I would have done already, and I will be giving the extra points. You get it? So what I do is instead of so much, you people are having so many problems with me that you people said you are not able to follow, you are not able to ask me questions and all, which is making me a kind of uncomfortable actually. Right? So what I want is we will do one thing. I will explain the story slowly, 2 times, 3 times. Then I will make you write. Okay? So whatever I explain today will be your homework. Is it fine? You will in between I'll give some pause on 5 minutes. You will write it. Okay? Then you have doubts, you ask me. Is that fine for you? Okay. Done then. So yesterday I gave you monocot stem. Do you remember, I think? Monocot stem I have given you. I will give its explanation again with a background, some drawing, and I'll give you. So that will give some time for you to write the explanation. Is it okay? Okay. If you find anything you don't understand, you ask me. Done? Okay. So yesterday what I gave you was the monocot stem. So the monocot stem we had the circular outline, skull-like bundles, larger bundles towards the center, smaller towards the periphery, somewhat like this. We call it as atactostele. What is atactostele? The condition in which the vascular bundles are scattered in the ground tissue, right? And here we had epidermis. Epidermis is outermost layer, na? Epidermis, this is hypodermis. And remaining is called the ground tissue. These are the vascular bundles. So enlarged section I showed you the epidermis like this. Okay. Followed by hypodermis made up of parenchyma tissue, 2 to 3 layer. Now drawn already. Then parenchymatous ground tissue we have drawn it. Already we have done this. And skull-like bundle I gave you. 2 big metaxylems, 1 or 2 protoxylem. Then they are having a cavity. And here in the forehead region you get the phloem tissue. Pseudotubes, companion cell, phloem, parenchyma, phloem fibers. This is the structure. And the whole bundle was surrounded by bundle sheath, which is sclerenchymatous. Whatever I have drawn here is sclerenchymatous. This is called as the lysigenous cavity. It is formed by the broken protoxylem. This is the protoxylem. This is the metaxylem. This is phloem. This is ground tissue. This is hypodermis. This is epidermis. And we have a cuticle. Okay. So how is the vascular bundle? Already we have done this in the vascular bundle unit. I need not to give time for that because whenever I start saying monocot stem, you should refer that immediately and come to know monocot stem will have conjoint collateral closed vascular bundles because they don't have the cambium in between. So how to explain them, this monocot stem? You should say in circular outline, it has epidermis, hypodermis, ground tissue in which vascular bundles are scattered, showing a tactostale condition. Okay. Then enlarged section shows epidermis with flattened barrel-shaped parenchyma cells covered by thick cuticle. Okay. Hypodermis having sclerenchyma tissue 2 to 3 layers. Ground tissue parenchyma. Right. Then each vascular bundle resembles a human skull-like structure. Resembles. And it will have the xylem with the 2 metaxylem appearing like the eye-like structure. 2 protoxylem almost like a nose. And some protoxylem will break to form a lysigenous cavity that appears like the mouth. And the phloem is found in the forehead region of the vascular bundle. And the whole bundle is surrounded by a bundle sheath made up of sclerenchyma. Technically, vascular bundle is conjoined, collateral, and closed. No cambium. That's all. That's all. Did you get it? So write the points on monocot stem. If you don't understand, you ask me what you didn't understand. I have uploaded, ma. You just check. It is uploaded already. I have uploaded all the videos. Nothing is left. Right. Start writing. They don't have trichomes. Normally, they don't have trichomes. Are you writing the points? "94 students have there. How to write? I gave no for second year. The first part, like dicot stem, you write this. Are you writing? I will ask you in between some of the points if you have missed it. You people should ask me if you have missed something. You need not to tell me, Sauba. I will always upload it. Is that a thing to tell all this? You need not to tell me. I know, I will upload it. Two to three layers of hypodermis made up of sclerenchyma. Listen properly. I said sclerenchyma, not cholenchyma. It's better, I think. At least you will get to know what you are writing. Done, all of you? Two circular eye-like structures called Allah, the metaxylem resemble the eye of a human skull. Eyes of human skull. Ground tissue is made up of parenchyma. Good, better. I'll do this only. It is better. Otherwise, you people will be making me struggle for that. What about others are writing? Dhanush, what you wrote about the vascular, the atactostele. Did you write about atactostele? What are the points to be included? That's what I'll always worry. So points to be included, I'll just list them. You should write. First thing, atactostele. Did you finish that atactostele? Vascular bundle scattered in the ground tissue. Second thing, absence of endodermis, cortex, pericycle, and pith. So this is another important point. There is no endodermis, cortex, pericycle, and pith. All these are absent. Third one, vascular bundles resemble human skull. Fourth point, vascular bundles are conjoined collateral closed. Next, each vascular bundle, two metaxylem resembling the human skull eyes, two protoxylem almost in the nose region, some protoxylem fuse to form lysigenous cavity that stores water. Then the complete bundle is surrounded by sclerenchymatous bundle sheath. These many did you write? Sudhansh, have you written? Many of them are there. See, the first PUC only are so careless, it's very effective. It will affect you very badly. Because you are not serious. At the end, it will come to your head only. Today, I'll make some of the seniors to talk to you. You just talk to your senior students, friends. They will tell you how to learn biology. Sudhan Shalidiyappa, Dhanush Shalidiyappa. Suhas, Arjun. Arjun, just on your video and show me what you are drawn. Medullary rays are present or absent. It is absent. There is no vascular bundle in that form. No. It is in U steel, you get it. What is U steel? Sujal. Arjun, cordial. Switch on your video and show me the diagram. Arjun ji, cordial. Otherwise, I'm going to call your house now. Because yesterday I told you not to put the chapala and all, you are writing it. Arjun, switch on your video and show the diagram. Only Arjun. Cuticle is, what is there? What have I drawn, Anjan Shetty? Have I drawn cuticle? Yesterday you have drawn, no? No pith. When did I tell you pith? ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. There is no pith ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ವಾ ನಾನು? ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದ ಪಿತ್ತ? They are present in the ground tissue. Arjun, switch on your video. Subhash, ma'am, I did not attend the previous classes. Why? Sudhanshu, we did not. Why did not attend the previous classes? How many classes you did not attend? Where is Arjun? He left her. Arjun, cordial. Switch on your video and show the diagrams. Sudhanshu, answer. Why you did not attend? I will complete and show it to you today. Arey beta, why you were absent in the previous classes? Tell me. How many classes you had fever? How many classes you used to had fever? You had fever. Arjun, switch on your videos. I'm saying it. Arjun is in the meeting only, ma'am. Arjun, switch on your video. I could see his name. I want you to show me the diagram what you have drawn for monocot stem. Yeah, I know Fatima. He is there in the meeting. He has switched on and running around, or he has not drawn. This is what is escapism, we call it. The people come here for no reason. So then you show the diagram of monocot stem. Which class you are absent? You tell me from which class you are absent. How many classes you did not attend? See, you are taking so long, only wasting time of yours and mine. How many have finished writing? I want to check your diagram. You have to switch on your video. 4 to 5 and 4 or 5. 4 plus 5. You are done, Anjan? Okay. What is 5? 5 classes, huh? What was the last class you attended? What was happening then? How many days? 5 classes and 1 whole week you had fever. Huh? You had fever. Let me see your face, Sudhansh. I want to see how sick you look. Sudhansh, switch on your video. What was the last thing you have written in your book? You show me. Sudhansh. Show the last thing you have written before you got the fever. Where is another girl, Napita's friend? Abhigna Shetty. Abhigna Shetty, you are there, ma? So then switch on your video and show me the diagrams or what you are written last. I want to check where you have stopped writing. 5 classes and the last day. Then if you people keep doing it when the college anyway is going to start on 15th, you will have really tough time, I'm telling you. So then, if you are absent for 5 classes, what was the last class you attended? That I want to know. Arjun, switch on your video, I'm saying. Abhigna Shetty, where are you? Yeah, it is a way. Whatever Napita you told, no, it's a escapism only. You people, nobody is writing, I'm observing now. You are just simply sitting and switching on the videos. You may do it. Napita may do it, and another person, 1, 2, 3 members will do it. Others will be me. Abhigna Shetty. Ma'am, sorry, I left the meeting for a minute. You called me. Okay, very good. Then, okay, this is how you people are missing the class. Now I am asking you, you are asking me doubt. I said the cavity, lysogenous cavity is formed with the breakdown of protoxylem units. It is also called water vascular cavity, protoxylem cavity. You were there, no, Sauba? I could understand last class you were there. I've seen your name. All your names, I'm writing it down and check whether you were there, attended or not. One is Sauba is saying it, and second one, this Sudhansh is saying it. They were not present ಅಂತ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೇಳೋಣ ಕಥೆನ. Sauba was not attending 3 classes. See, all these things are coming. Carmel, 3 classes you were absent. Reason not known. Sudhansh is saying 5 classes he didn't attend and he is not showing your diagram also. Suhas, are you there? Anushri, are you there? Have you drawn? Baby Rukaya, have you drawn and written notes? Bhavana? That's okay, ma. Sauba, I didn't say you are not going to doctors, but I wanted you to tell me what you are the last thing you are written. Show me your picture, your video and show me. Anjan Shetty, done ma'am. Okay, done ma'am. Okay, you are not attending classes. Still, how many are there? And Arjun is the one who is not responding. Arjun from Cordial. Okay, you will be having difficulties, Arjun. And simply you are putting bye and all, saying some pictures and all you are putting there. Waste of all that. Okay, done? Okay, Abhigna Shetty, tell me what you have written about the vascular bundle. Napita, you are writing done. Okay, Napita, you write the point on atactostele. What all writes atactostele you write? Sauba, you write atactostele. Madaya, you write about the vascular bundle in monocot stem. Type of vascular bundle in monocot stem. Write a point on that. I am observing. I am watching. Sujal, you write about the type of vascular bundle. What we call, I said, yeah, it is called atactostele. Correct, ma. Scattered in the ground tissue is right. Okay, write the technical terms of vascular bundle. Tanushri, you write about the vascular bundle type in monocot stem. Conjoined, conjoined spelling note putta, Abhigna. conjoined, collateral, and closed. They resemble the human skull. Okay, done. Okay. Okay. Now, what all are absent in monocot stem, which were there in dicot stem? What all are absent? Pericycle pith, what are absent? Endodermis. Then, yes, cortex. All are absent. Okay. Now, enough. Okay. Madhya, you write about the hypodermis in dicot stem, made up of which tissue? Phloem parenchyma is absent. Textbook note ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಮ್ಮ. Hypodermis in dicot stem made up of what? Larger bundles towards the center, smaller bundles towards the periphery. It's correct. Collenchyma. Good. Done. Okay. So your homework is distinguish between monocot and dicot stem anatomy. Write the homework. Point. Write this. What is the question? Distinguish between monocot and dicot stem anatomy. First question. You people have to. I show you the my mail ID. You should send it to that. Okay. Distinguish between monocot and dicot stem. Minimum 6 to 7 points. Second question, distinguish between dicot and monocot root anatomy. Distinguish between dicot and monocot root anatomy. Make 2 columns and you should write it. Now, can you tell me some difference between dicot and monocot stem now? Right now? Can you give me the difference between dicot and monocot stem anatomy? Yes, Madhya, you are right. Endodermis is present. See, all together you write, beta. Japita, you write dicot stem contain cortex, endodermis, pericycle, pith, which are all absent in monocot. That's all. One sentence. Don't have to make them separate. Waxy layer, both sides it is there, ma. Abhigna. Both sides there is waxy layer. That is a cuticle is found in both. Lysigen's cavity is absent in dicot is correct. Good. Pericycle, pith, cortex, and endodermis are absent in monocot, but present in dicots is correct. Abhigna. You still in dicot, attractive still in monocot. Very good. Trichome present, trichome absent were correct. You have done the group privately, ma'am. Yes, I am reading it. I made it privately because you people start discussing about yourselves. And one person says answer, another person copy and write. That's why I made it like that. Pericycle, cortex, endodermis, trichomes are absent in monocot but present in collenchyma. Array, listen, Tanushri. Collenchyma is hypodermis in dicots, sclerenchyma is hypodermis in monocots. Monocot stem. Yeah, cuticle is thin, cuticle is thick in monocots. Good. Dicot medullary rays are present, they are absent in monocots. Good. Cortex is pericycle pith. Yeah, that's present taxa present and absent in monocots. Good. Yeah, that's right. Ishchana answer madi ulnar enaru madkolli avaru. Because I am observing this Arjun, Girjun and all, they are not answering. Where is that fellow went? What is his name? Sudhansh. Where are you, Sudhansh? He left answer there. PQRS. Sudhansh is not there. Yeah. Okay. Monocot stem, vascular pressure, conjoined collateral closed, exarch xylem. Exarch xylem. Xylem is exarch. Manisha, you are right. Exarch xylem, dicot stem, conjoined collateral open, and it is also exarch here. It's not endarch. Dicot stem. Stem is also. See, both are endarch xylem only, not exarch. Ravi Surya, onion is an exarch beta. That is known. You should not write. Cooker beta, you should not write the example. All dicots are dicots. Monocot resembles the human skull. Monocot will not resemble. Monocot vascular bundle resembles the human skull shape, but the shape is not the major thing for me. Anatomical differences I want. Okay, closed. You are also writing. Megashri. Okay, good. Abhigna hypodermis of collenchyma, it is sclerenchyma. Good. Abhigna, hypodermis, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. Good. Dicot single layered hair. Helianthus. Examples don't write as differences. All dicots will be like that, monocots will be like this. Don't write the examples as the difference. Okay, done. Is this fine for all of you? Is this fine? Now I'll open this and I'll show you how many say yes. Is this way of you writing points is fine? Anusha saying yes. Tanushri, Umera, Napita, Sefa. Okay, all of you are saying yes. Okay, you will only write that. Good. All girls are there. Boys are not answering. Their problem. Sujal told. Jitesh told. Okay. But I will ask you to open the video. Means you should open the video. Okay. Done then. Okay, done. So let's now move on to the anatomy of leaf. That's the end of it. Okay. We'll finish anatomy and end the process of this anatomy. So let's talk about the leaf anatomy. Observe properly. Leaf anatomy. So whenever you observe the leaf of dicots and monocots, they are different from each other. From the appearance only, the monocots have parallel venation, dicots will have the reticulate venation. This you already know. But this is not an anatomical difference. One more difference from the appearance is the dicot leaves, when they're exposed like this. So that upper part will get more light, lower part will get not light. It will not get much light. So their dorsal and ventral surfaces are very clearly distinguished. Upper part gets more darker color, lower parts will get less darker color. Therefore, such leaves are called as dorsiventral leaves. Dorsiventral leaf andre enartha? The dicot leaf it is. Dicot leaf. Okay. Example, you know already, Helianthus random. Dicot leaf. It is called dorsoventrally differentiated leaf because it is bifacial. Upper part is getting more light, lower part is getting less light. Both the faces are different. It is also called the bifacial leaf. Okay. So if you take the section, suppose leaf is like this, you take the section and observe under microscope, keep it green color, right? So how it appears? See here, if you take the section and observe, upper layer is having upper epidermis, lower layer is having lower epidermis. So I will draw green tissue between them, right? So here is the upper epidermis. So this is the upper epidermis. Observe while I am drawing. This is the upper surface. You have to draw straight only. This is a lower epidermis. Whatever I am drawing down, it is the lower epidermis. Okay, this is a lower epidermis. Barrel-shaped parenchyma cells. Okay. As upper layer is directly exposed to light, it should get protection from the sunlight. Then you find large, thick cuticle, waxy layer cuticle to protect it from the sunlight, and it will show number of trichomes, the hairs, leaf hairs, and lower layer will have thin cuticle. Lower epidermis will have thin cuticle. Okay, this also will have some hairs. Lower and upper layers, both the epidermis will have hairs. Then, in the lower epidermis, you find large number of openings. These are called as stomata. Okay, you will get on both the epidermis, but in dicot stem, dicot leaf, you will have the stomata. These are called as stomata. Stomata are the openings through which it exchanges the gases. Right? These are less on the upper epidermis. Sometimes I will not write also. Right? So this we call it as the upper epidermis. This is called the cuticle. This is called as the trichome. This is the lower epidermis and cuticle and stomata. They are more on the lower epidermis compared to upper epidermis. Upper epidermis because it's directly exposed. So what is the function? Stomata are meant for gaseous exchange. They don't have nose like us. They have this opening, stomatal opening, through which they exchange the carbon dioxide and oxygen. Right? But apart from gaseous exchange, so many times if the temperature is high, they lose water to keep the surface cool. This is called transpiration. Transpiration is the process of loss of water from the stomatal openings. Okay, so if the stomata are present in the upper epidermis, it is directly exposed to light, a lot of water may be lost. Therefore, the plant which are dicots, they will have a large number of stomata on the lower epidermis compared to upper epidermis. Okay, this condition we call it as hypostomatic. Hypostomatic leaf andre stomata bandu kelagade lower epidermis mele irutte anta. Hypostomatic leaf antaru because lower epidermis having more number of stomata. Centrally, you will get the vascular bundle if your section passes through the veins and midribs and veins and veins. Okay, here you will find metaxylem towards the lower epidermis and protoxylem towards the upper epidermis. There is no exarch or endarch here. It's only this arrangement. Metaxylem towards the lower epidermis, protoxylem towards the upper epidermis. Phloem is found towards the lower epidermis having pseudotubes, companion cells, phloem parenchyma and phloem fibers. So this is phloem and remaining all it is xylem. Okay, these xylem elements mainly tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma, xylem fibers all are present. And here pseudotubes, companion cells, pseudotubes, companion cell, pseudotube, companion cell, all you have to write. This is about the complete vascular bundle and remaining all you should draw light cells. These are all xylem parenchyma or phloem parenchyma present over here. Don't leave any spaces empty in the vascular bundle. Main things what you have to show is xylem arrangement. Then the whole bundle is surrounded by parenchyma cells. This is forming the bundle sheath. This is called the bundle sheath. It surrounds the complete vascular bundle. This is a bundle sheath. Okay. Now this bundle sheath will be held in the center by some tissues that will connect it to the epidermis. This is normally cholenchyma. This is held in the center by this cholenchyma. Cholenchyma means we should show intercellular spaces thickened with pectin. All these things I have already done. Cholenchyma ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಜನರಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ bundle extension. Vascular bundle is extended towards the epidermis, both upper and lower epidermis by cholenchyma tissue. Cholenchyma bardre only corner should be thickened, not the whole cell should be thickened. This is the pectin thickening I am drawing. This is a cholenchyma. Okay, this we call it as the bundle extension, made up of cholenchyma. This outer layer is called as the bundle sheath. This is the xylem. This is the phloem. Okay. Next, the remaining major tissue is the green tissue, right? That is actually called the mesophyll tissue, which is green in color. And towards the upper epidermis, it is having some elongated barrel-shaped cells that are very compactly arranged like this. This is called the palisade tissue. This is the green tissue in the leaf. This is called palisade tissue, which is compactly arranged with less or no intercellular spaces. And you should show number of chloroplasts in this. So if you have the pen with the ink or gel pen and all, you can show the dots like this. Closed dot should be drawn. This is compactly arranged tissue. We call it as palisade tissue, which is present towards the upper epidermis, having compactly arranged elongated cells. Okay, this we call it as palisade tissue. I write it this side. Okay, let's not confuse that and this. This is called the palisade tissue. Okay, towards the lower epidermis, you find loosely held, irregular shaped cells. This is loosely held tissue. And above the stomata, you don't draw any cell. These have few chloroplasts. This has loose arrangement of mesophyll. This we call it as spongy tissue. Together we call this as mesophyll. Mesophyll is a chlorenchyma in leaf. Mesophyll tissue. Okay. So both sides you are supposed to draw this diagram. This is called as a spongy tissue. Okay. And above the stomata, you should leave a space. This is called the stomatal chamber, where actually the air get collected. Stomatal chamber. So this you should be very careful writing dark xylem. Remaining and all look very light, only xylem looks dark and actually less developed. Xylem phloem are less developed in this. Okay, this is the dicot leaf. Okay, you want me to explain you once again all this? You want me to explain you this again? Okay, listen. So leaf in dicot is called dorsiventral because dorsoventrally differentiated. Upper layer is exposed to more light, lower part is away from light. So upper part is more dark green, lower part is light green. It's called the bifacial leaf. Also, first thing. In section, it shows upper epidermis and lower epidermis. Upper epidermis is direct in contact with the light. It will have thick cuticle and number of hairs. Lower epidermis thin cuticle and hairs are there. But stomata are the openings through which it will normally exchange the gases. The stomata is not one structure. It has two cells. Can you make out? These cells are called the guard cells. They will have opening. That's the stomatal opening. There is a stomatal chamber. These cells are called the guard cells. Okay. Separately, when you observe the stomata, it looks like this. Two guard cells like this. Okay. They have chloroplasts also in them. There is an opening like this, and there are epidermal cells surrounding this. Okay. This is the stomata of dicot. Okay. It is called the stomatal apparatus. Because it's not one body apparatus. Okay, these are called the guard cells. Both of them. This is the stoma or the opening. These are the helping cells. These are called as the subsidiary cells. Okay, this is the one stomata. Like this it looks. Okay, then these stomata are present more on the lower epidermis compared to upper epidermis. Therefore, we call this as the hypostomatic leaf. Hypo is lower epidermis. Then the whole leaf is green in color because of the presence of mesophyll tissue, which is a chlorenchyma tissue. Parenchyma having chloroplast is chlorenchyma. The chlorenchyma in leaf is called mesophyll tissue. Okay, this mesophyll tissue in dicot leaves has two types. It contains two types. Upper part contain barrel-shaped, compactly arranged cells called as palisade tissue. Lower part is made up of loosely held, irregular-shaped cells called as spongy tissue. Now, together it is mesophyll. It is differentiated. Then, in the midrib, if you take section, or the veins you take section, vascular tissues are seen, xylem and phloem. Xylem is found towards upper epidermis, phloem is at the lower epidermis. Xylem has metaxylem at the lower epidermis, protoxylem at the periphery. Right? There is no endark exarchia. Phloem and xylem has all the xylem elements, right? And phloem elements. The complete vascular bundle is surrounded by the bundle sheath made up of simple parenchyma, flattened. And the whole vascular bundle is extended on either upper epidermis or lower epidermis with the help of collenchyma tissue called as a bundle extension made up of collenchyma. That's it. 2 times I explained. Okay, now you draw the diagram and write the points. And ask the doubts if you have. While drawing, you get the doubts. While writing, you get the doubts. Now, right now, you start drawing first. No open, no close, no secondary growth. It's flat. Leaf cannot undergo secondary growth. It is flat. Mesophyll andrene pigment alvenappa. Mesophyll andre chloroplast irutte. Pigment ತಾನೆ ಅದು. Chloroplast is pigment. Pigment andre ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಸಂಜಯ್. What is pigment according to you? What is the help of lower epidermis if light doesn't? ಅರೆ ಲೈಟ್ ಕೇಳೇ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ. Help. What is the use ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಯ್ಯೋ lower epidermis help in exchange of gases, transpiration, ella, sujal. It helps in exchange of gases because it has stomata. There is nothing called the use. It is there, you are studying, that's it. Why it is there, why it is not there is not your problem. Write first, stop talking now, draw it. Then you ask me in between doubts when you are writing points. If doubts ಬರಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ points ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Finished or started still? Only 2 minutes? No, you take your time, dear. There's nothing too fast to be fast. No, you can draw happily. No issues. Draw one side stomatal apparatus also. Corner le idru baribeku. Draw it aram se. Okay. It's time 12:21. 20 ne ankolana. Okay. 25. Try to finish. If not, I'll give 2 more minutes extra. 12:25 finish ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಲ್ಲ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ನೋಡೋಣ ಅಂಜನ್. Where is that Arjun went? Arjun left, huh? Very bad of you people, dear. I feel you pity you. Maybe 10th and all you have passed like this only. Escaping, simply making behind, sitting behind and making comments and all. Okay, draw ಮಾಡಿ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ. Jitesh, you start writing points. Start writing points. First, he will only show me. Jitesh, show me the drawing. Switch on your video and show me the drawing. Jitesh, show the drawing first. Where are you? Switch on your video and show me drawing. First, Jitesh will show the diagram, then Monisha will show the diagram. Full drawing ತೋರ್ಸು ಚಿತ್ರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಮೇಲೆ ತಗೋ ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೇಲೆ ತಗೋ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಸಿ ಇಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅದಲ್ಲ see the cells in the listen these cells cannot be flying they should be attached to 3 cells loose ಆಗಿ ಬರೆಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಕ್ಯಾವಿಟಿ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ನೀನು ಖಾಲಿ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ they will not fly like that okay ಆಮೇಲೆ xylem ಒಳಗಡೆ ಖಾಲಿ ಜಾಗ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು there should be written something and colon should be only having thickness in the corners correct all of that ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಟೊಮಾಟ ಮೇಲೆ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಖಾಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಇದು ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಸೆಲ್ ಬರೆಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಜಿತೇಶ್? ರೀಡ್ರಾ? ಯಾ ಐ ಸಾ ಇಟ್. ಬಟ್ ನೀನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ಯಾ? ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ದಿಸ್, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಈ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಲೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಫ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಬರೆಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. See, it is attached. 1, 2, 3 places it is attached. Minimum 3 places it should attach. ಅದರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಫ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಜೈಲಮ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ಪ್ಯಾರೆಂಕೈಮ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು, ಮಧ್ಯ ಖಾಲಿ ಜಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಎಪಿಡರ್ಮಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟೊ ಮೇಲೆ ಖಾಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ರೀಡ್ರಾ? ಅದೇ ಮನೀಶಾ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಏನ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಣಮ್ಮ, ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ವಿಸಿಬಲ್. ನೋಡು ನೀನೇ ಏನ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ. ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡು, ಏನು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ನೀ ಬರ್ದಿರೋದು. ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ. ಉಮೇರಾ ಶಮಿ, ಮನೀಶಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ಯಾ? ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೀನ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ನೋ, ಐ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಸಿ. Umaira I can see. Umaira is drawn well. Very good. Now Umaira, between xylem don't shade it. Show the thin parenchyma cells. Very good. Umaira is drawn well. Okay, good one. Swati. There is a huge space in this spongy tissue and ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜಾಗ ಇದೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ fill up ಮಾಡ್ಕೋ. Okay. ರವಿ ಸೂರ್ಯ, ತುಂಬಾ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಇದು. ಉದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ಯಾ ನೀನು? ಕೋಲಂಕೈಮ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನೋಡು, ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಉದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ಯಾ ಕೋಲಂಕೈಮ? ಅಂಡ್ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿ ಕೋಟಿಂಗ್ ಗೆ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟಲ್ ಅಪರೇಟಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಸ್ಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟಲ್ ಅಪರೇಟಸ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಇದು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕದ ಪಕ್ಕಕ್ಕೆ. ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್, ಇದನ್ನ ಚಿಕ್ಕದ್ ಮಾಡಿದ. ತನುಶ್ರೀ ಶೋಯಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ ಮಾ, ಪೆನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಡಾಟ್ಸ್ ನ. ತನುಶ್ರೀ, ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಗುಡ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಪೆನ್, ಯು ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಪೆನ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಫೈನ್. ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಪೆನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಬೇಡ, ಬ್ಲೂ ಪೆನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಯಾ ನಿಧಿ ಚೋಮಿ, ಆರ್ ನಂದಿನಿ ಶೋಮಿ. Akshara is showing, Nandini is showing. Okay, Akshara is okay. Good one, Akshara. Nandini also fine, good. Both of you are good. Nurain, okay, good one, that's fine. Okay, write the description now. Start writing description. Start with Dorsey Venter. Enough dear Anjan Shetty. Tanisi. Okay, Monisha sent me drawing. That's okay. Good. Xylem parenchyma and xylem fibers. Yashasvi. Around the xylem, there are xylem parenchyma and xylem fibers. Then all xylem elements will be there, no? So between them, you will get parenchyma and fibers. Major ones are tracheas and vessels. Okay, drawing is good, Manisha. I saw it. It's a good diagram. So drawing you are drawn clearly. Good. Rukaya, show me. Udak torsa idea to show it horizontal. Showing that way. Okay, where is stomatal apparatus, baby? Stomatal apparatus you should draw. Okay, Nidhi. Okay, you do that, whatever I said. Neha, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ತಗೊಳಮ್ಮ ತುಂಬಾ ಲೈಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಓಕೆ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗುಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಬಟ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸಿ ಮಚ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ ಓಕೆ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಎಪಿಡರ್ಮಿಸ್ lower epidermis stomata mesophil xylem and coil ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರೀಬೇಕು Yeah. Upper epidermis is single layer covered by thick waxy cuticle protect from the sun, whereas lower epidermis is thick. Correct. It is made up of, yeah, that is right, ma. Anjan Shetty has written. It is made up of barrel shaped parenchyma. Okay, good. First, write what is upper epidermis. It is a thin, single layer barrel shaped parenchyma. Right, very good. Where is the very good? Mesophil, it is differentiated into upper palisade, lower spongy. Palisade consists of anything you want to know, you ask me. It's called hypostomatic, correct? Barrel shaped leaf is protected by cuticle. No, cuticle erosion is hypostomatic and Kerala. Listen, Anjan. The stomata are found more on the lower epidermis, less on the upper epidermis. This is called hypostomatic leaf. Correct it. Correct, ma. Closely packed, more chloroplasts are there. There are large number of chloroplasts in the palisade tissue and less in the spongy tissue. It's going to be extended towards upper and lower epidermis by collenchyma tissue called the bundle extension. Very good, Anusha. Very good. That's correct. Expansion or extension. Extension. Sanjay. It is not expansion, it is extension. Abhigna, now you have finished drawing. Show me. Show the drawing. You are little slow, I think, in drawing. Open your video and show me. Abhigna Shetty. Wait, I'm just opening. Oh, your labelings you are not done now. Labelings not done. Okay, write it labelings. Okay, done there. Okay. Are you writing the points? Anything to be asked? Stomatal guard cells are kidney shaped, bean shaped. You see this? Stomata in dicot leaf has kidney shaped guard cells. Adno add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Correct, Anusha, you are right. Can you once again say about the bundle sheath? Okay. The vascular bundle is extended on upper towards upper and lower epidermis by collenchyma tissue called as bundle extension. Bundle sheath is simple one layer parenchyma tissue around the vascular bundle. Okay, Ashraya, understood? Akshara. Bundle sheath and are present. Alla vascular bundles andarane veins. Srijit. You are saying vascular bundles are surrounded bundle sheath and present on veins. Na? Vascular bundles are the sections of the veins only. If you take the section through veins, you will get the vascular bundles. More present, Anusha. Stomata are present more on the lower epidermis than upper epidermis. So it is called hypostomatic leaf. Trichome is a multicellular hair protecting the leaf surface. Yes, Correct, Yashashvi. Protoxylem towards the upper epidermis and metaxylem towards the lower epidermis. Reticulation venation is the morphologist region. Reticulate venation morphology, I am talking about anatomy. Anatomy is the internal study. Morphology is the external appearance. What did Srijit? Sharit, okay, sorry. Sharit alva, Sharia. But it is written Sharit, S-H-A-R-I-T-H and Sharit and Srijit alva, Sharit, okay, Sharit. Okay, done. Stomata helps in exchange of gases. Conducting tissue andre xylem phloem ashte, Anjan Shetty. Stomata help in exchange of gases. Stomata is not conductive tissue. It is the opening for exchange of gases. It will not store water. It will help in loss of water through transpiration. Madhya. It will not help in storage of water. It helps in loss of water through transpiration. What should we write about the adaxial and abaxial terms? Adaxial, abaxial. Even ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳು ಸುಜಲ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. Dorsoventral ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೇನೆ. Adaxial ಅಂದ್ರೆ dorsal, abaxial ಅಂದ್ರೆ ventral. For mistake. What is for mistake? अरे यार ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡು ಶರೀತ್. Upper is adaxial, lower. Mainly they will not use it much in the leaf. In leaf they call dorsal and ventral surfaces only. Very rarely we use the word. Okay, Gnapita, what is the mesophyll tissue containing? Speciality of mesophyll. Okay, mesophyll, what is she is asking, what is the function of palisade tissue? Okay, all of you people can think and tell me what is the function, what type of tissue is there in mesophyll? What is the name of the tissue? Chlorenchyma. Chlorenchyma contains what? Chlorenchyma. Type of parenchyma is chlorenchyma only. Spandana is right. It contains chloroplast, right? So palisade and spongy tissue are the mesophyll. Mesophyll is a specialized chlorenchyma tissue in leaf. It contains chloroplast. It helps in photosynthesis. That's it. Napita, got it? Got your answer? Okay, done. Okay. Did you write? Can you tell about cuticle, please? What you want me to tell me? Sujal is asking. Can you tell the cuticle? Once we have talked about cuticle, Sujal, what you remember, you write. Let me see. What you remember about cuticle? It's a waxy layer on the leaf. Ravi Surya is answering. Yes, Nurain. Stomata, she has written. They are formed in the lower epidermis. No, listen. They are found on both the epidermis, but they are more on the lower epidermis. Nurain. Correct? They are present on both the epidermis, but they are more in the lower epidermis in dicot leaf. Okay, help in exchange of gases. Above the stomata, there is a stomatal chamber, and the stomata contains two guard cells with the opening called stomatal opening or the pore. Subsidiary cells in stomata, and it has subsidiary cells. Subsidiary cells will not help in exchange of gases, dear. Stomatal opening helps in the exchange. See, these are the guard cells. These are epidermal cells called subsidiary cells. These will open and close. Guard cells only will help in the stomatal opening and closing. Okay, that help in exchange of gases and also transpiration. What is protecting layer, Anjan Shetty? It protects it from sunlight. Protecting is a mechanical Allah. It helps in protecting it from sunlight. Okay. Right then. Good. So people are reacting today. We should better do it. Okay. Done. Finished. Written the points on this. How many of you still write? How many of you are still writing? Done. All of you done? Sharit done. Okay, done then. Wait, somebody is saying Sujat will be always making me wait. Do it in 2 minutes here. It's almost 49. Because I'll give you monocot leaf and then ask you to write the points on your own at home. Okay, done then. Napita, done? Okay. Others all you have finished then. So let's now begin with the monocot stem, monocot leaf. Okay. I'll erase the drawing. Is it fine? Today, are you okay with this? Yeah, fine then. So I'll erase it. So let's now begin with the monocot leaf. So as I start drawing, you can also start drawing because time will be less. Now, monocot leaf. Actually, monocot leaf is exposed like this leaf blade, right? Both sides is getting equal lights, both sides. Not like this, like this. So this side also it will get equal light. So we call this as isobilateral leaf. Means both the sides are equal. Example is Zea mays. Okay. So coming to the leaf, again you have upper epidermis and lower epidermis. See, I am drawing again upper epidermis. You start drawing along with me, otherwise you will not get time. Upper epidermis and lower epidermis, same cells. It is called isobilateral leaf because it is exposed both sides similar way. Okay. Now one more thing is here stomata are present in a different way. They are found on both the epidermis equally. Therefore, we call it as the amphistomatic leaf. Amphistomatic leaf refers to presence of stomata on both epidermis similar in number. Okay, I will draw one stomata, but the guard cells are dumbbell shaped. Can you see this? They are dumbbell shaped guard cells. ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಡಂಬಲ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಬರ್ತಿದೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೀನ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಅಥವಾ ಕಿಡ್ನಿ ಶೇಪ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡೂ ಕಡೆ ಸೇಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟಾ ಬರೀಬೇಕು both sides you find the same number of stomata should join them almost same number of stomata you should draw on both the epidermis therefore the name is amphistomatic leaf ಬರದ್ರಾ ಆಮೇಲೆ same amount of cuticle on both the sides because it is equally it is called as unifacial. Sorry, this is bifacial, that is unifacial. I'm sorry, that is having both the sides spaced. No, it is called bifacial leaf. Adu unifacial leaf. Adu dichotism unifacial leaf. Okay, upper and lower epidermis same number of stomata. Then the vascular bundle is very important here. Watch it now properly. Vascular bundle is having similar to the monocot stem, two metaxylems, one or two protoxylem and a cavity towards the lower epidermis. Are you getting it? So draw properly the large metaxylem, one or two protoxylem, and here at the forehead region phloem tissue. Like this, and remaining all are xylem fibers. There is no xylem parenchyma or phloem parenchyma in this. All of them are only xylem fibers and phloem fibers. Tracheids, vessels, xylem fibers. Sieve tubes, comparison, phloem fibers. So remaining all are fibers. No parenchyma is present in this. Monocot leaves do not have the parenchyma tissue in this. All it is hard one. Because monocot leaves are very hard in nature. This is the phloem fibers and xylem fibers I am drawing here. Done. And then the lysogenous cavity, broken cavity. Now, one more thing you have to write is the whole bundle is surrounded by a parenchyma tissue bundle sheet, which is bigger one. Cells you can see the parenchyma cells are very huge. This is forming the bundle sheet, covering of the bundle by bundle sheet. And these bundle sheet cells contain chloroplast. Very important thing is they contain chloroplast. This is the main thing you have to remember in this. The bundle sheet cells are made up of chlorenchyma cells. They contain chloroplasts. This is a bundle sheath, okay? And bundle sheath is extended on either side by sclerenchymatous bundle extension. You get the difference now? Here it is sclerenchymatous bundle extension, there it was a collenchymatous bundle extension. Here it is sclerenchymatous. Both the sides you should show sclerenchymatous bundle extension. Like this, okay? So both sides bundle extension made up of sclerenchyma tissue, okay? This is a major thing to draw, okay? Now I will show the cells which are mesophyll, which are undifferentiated. They are not differentiated into palisade and spongy. They are undifferentiated oval shaped cells present all over. Almost oval shaped. And they will have to be drawn with the chloroplast because all mesophyll cells contain chloroplasts. Chloroplasts. So that's it. Label them. All of that is done now. You will have to label. This is the upper epidermis. This is stomata. This is cuticle. This is mesophyll. The whole thing is undifferentiated mesophyll. Mesophyll all over here. Okay. And this is xylem. This is phloem. This is a bundle sheath. Very important is bundle sheath. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂಡಲ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಗೆ ಮೇಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಲೋರೆನ್ಕೈಮಾ and this is bundle extension. The whole thing is mesophyll tissue, undifferentiated mesophyll tissue. Just ಬರೀಬೇಕಪ್ಪ. You draw along with this and listen, all the videos are making public. If you could not finish, Sujal Kelesko, you can watch that again after going through the video. You can draw it. You draw it along with me. I said you draw it. You don't act so smart, Sujal. I told you to draw along with me. And now you can see the drawing and you are drawing already. You are saying yes, ma'am also. They are all drawing. And if you could not complete, you have to go through. Good baby. Later you draw it by watching my video. Too much smart, no? You think you are the only smart person on this earth, Sujal. I think so. Because I told you today you draw along with me. I said at the beginning only. I said at the beginning only that you draw along with me. Because it's almost similar to that I said. Nurayan is showing drawing already. Yes, ma, good, correct. See, they all have drawn. How come? Yeah, you are right. They all have started drawing. I told at the beginning, you didn't listen is not my problem. You have to listen. Draw along with me because it is similar to dicot leaf I said. Or you keep drawing, looking at the video. I am making them public. See, this Arjun came now for clapping. Show your video, Arjun. I know you will run away, but anyway, I will get your somehow all Jatka. Don't worry. I will contact your college people also. I don't want your bike. You have done nothing. Ravi Surya is drawn. Yes, yes, yes. Ravi Surya, it should look like a skull only. Vascular bundles look like skull. Yours is not looking like skull. Phloem jagana illa ninge. Ravi Surya, xylem male baribeku, phloem kelag baribeku. Correct? ಉಳಿದದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. No, he is from I know he is not from your college, but I can get it from him. No, I know all these colleges. Cordial also I know. Okay, don't worry. From whichever college he is, I will find him. Okay, done. Corrected. I am making public ma Litika, Carmel PU, your written message. Okay, I am making all of them public. Tanushri, you want to show diagram? Nothing is seen. Okay, done. Right, ma, correct. Correct, ma, Tanushri, it's right. I'm making all the videos public, don't worry. Anjan Shetty is showing drawing. Okay, I will see Monisha, I will seeing it. ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಣ ಇದು ಅಂಜನ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಬ್ಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನನಗೆ. ಅದು ಡೈಕಾಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಮೊನೋಕಾಟ್ ತೋರಿಸು. ಮೊನೋಕಾಟ್ ಲೀಫ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೂರ ಇಡಿ, ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಣ. ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಪುಟ್ಟ, ಕಾಲುಗಳು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದಾವೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನೋಡೋಣ, ನಾನು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡು, ನನ್ನ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಕಳಿಸು ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಜನ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮೀ. Monisha, you are drawn correctly. Good. I got it. Yes, Kirtana, correct. Correct, ma. Kirtana, you are right. Good. Rukaya is again showing. Okay, ma, Rukaya, correct. Bye, ma. All of you, bye. See you, bye.